Basically, I think keeping up with what you do in the day by using time actually helps you be more productive and live a happier life. Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make time for every single thing you need to do in a day with only using 3 simple things. And those simple things are sticky notes, your phone. Well, this is not a phone, but I'm recording on my phone, so you get the what I'm trying to say. A phone and a bullet journal, okay? A bullet journal. So let's start with what you're making time for, okay? What I usually make time for is usually basically what I need to do in a day. Basically, things I forget, like sometimes take courses, my social media courses. If I need to remember that, I will put it in my bullet journal, and then I would also, I would put it in my bullet journal over to-do list. So let me show you guys. And a bullet journal is basically used to keep up with tasks, to-do list, basically to keep up with your life and all that. So my to-do list for today, I have make my Etsy account, post on my Instagram story, get clothes out that I cannot wear anymore so I can sell them on Etsy, Poshmark. I just wrote Poshmark. Okay. Write down ideas for my new podcast. Check my Getty Images account because I'm just gonna start selling stock photos on Getty Images, and read. I forget to do that a lot. That's what I have to do today. And what I do is everything I do in a day, I make sure that it adds up to my monthly goals. So everything I do in September, everything I do has something to do with my monthly goals. So make sure when you make tasks, before you make tasks, make sure you have monthly goals so then you'll know what you need to do every single day to achieve those monthly goals. So that's all you really need to do in your bullet journal. Every night before I go to sleep, I write down what I need to do in the next day in my bullet journal. I got this bullet journal from Find Below. It says notes on it, but I use it for bullet journal. It's pretty cool. I like the pattern and stuff. They didn't have like boyish journals, but I will link down. I won't link down. You guys can go anywhere and get a journal. But yeah, this is just a basic journal. I'm actually gonna go ahead and have this little bookmark thing so I can just go straight to the page. So yeah. Next thing is sticky notes. Okay, these are not sticky notes. They're just like square color. I couldn't find any sticky notes, but here they are. There's different colors in them, and they came in this good clear case, so I can keep up with them. Okay. I use sticky notes to basically put things on a wall. So everything I need to do in here, I put it on the wall and my sticky notes right in my living room, so I know what to do. So then I just take them off the wall and I might reuse like the back tire or something since these are not sticky notes. And also, since these are not sticky notes, I just tape these to the wall and yeah, put them on there. So, and sometimes I might even add new stuff. So like everything I need to do in the day, I don't put it in my bullet journal. So I put it on my sticky notes. So like on my sticky notes, I have maybe do chores or maybe school at 9 o'clock, which is my basic homeschooling, or I might have again make sure to take courses at 7 o'clock. Just basically things I need to do in the day. And today, I only had 5 sticky notes on the wall, which is actually pretty good. And I'm almost done doing them all. I think my video is the last one, so yeah. And speaking of keeping up with tasks and all of that, if you have a business and you need to keep up with tasks and all that, this is very good for people who have businesses too. And speaking of businesses, let's go ahead and roll to the next. Are you starting a business or thinking about starting a online business and you don't have the fundamentals or you just don't have the time to create a full-length website? But I'm here to tell you that there's a place where you can create a basic website and put your products on there for free and no credit card charge. And this place is called Shopify. Shopify is an online e-commerce store where it allows you to pretty much put a product on there, basically like a website, and on like a website, and you put your products on there and everything like that. And yeah, and they have a free trial that you can try right now using my link in the description. Okay, and you have 14 days free, no credit card needed. So how about you put your products on there for 14 days, and then after the 14 days is over, boom, you can start making money just like that. They have had over 100,000 users who have made their e-commerce stores with Shopify, who have made hundreds of millions, and some of them have actually made billions of dollars using Shopify. So what are you waiting for, my future entrepreneur? Go ahead and click my link in the description right now to join Shopify. And last thing is using your smartphone. Okay, using your smartphone. Okay, using your smartphone is a great way to keep up with what you need to do in a day and all of that. Okay, I basically use my smartphone to keep up with everything I need to do in a day. Now, in the next video after this is what's on my iPhone, because I have so many predictive apps on my iPhone. So I will do that video. You guys will see that video Monday. Okay, so what I do is I use 2 apps to, well, how many apps do I use? I use 2 apps to keep up with my tasks. If you have an Apple iPhone, I use the basic clock app, and I also use this app that helps you time tracking. And I also use the Bliss Bean. She has a little, it's like a calendar format, and it has from 5 o'clock in the morning to 12 at midnight and at night, and it has from Monday to Sunday. I will link that in the description too. I'll put a photo right here because I didn't put that, but I'll put a photo right here, right now. Ding, 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 ding. Put a photo right there. And yeah, I write every, like, on Sunday, what I will do in my Sunday reset routine too very soon. But on Sunday, I write down everything I need to do Monday or maybe Monday to Sunday. Okay, so I use a time tracking app and a clock app. So what I do on the clock app is I set times that I want to do stuff. So every single minute of my time in a day is scheduled, okay? Every single minute, every single hour of my day is scheduled by time. I just said that, but it's fine. So what I do at 5 o'clock, I can say wake up. At 5:20, I can say do meditation and stretch. At about 5:30, I can say check my to-do list, you know? At about, and then from like 5:30 to so on, I don't do anything. Like I say, 6 o'clock, what I do at 6 o'clock, I can just say, you know, after that, I say at like 7 o'clock, you know, do this and do that, take classes while making breakfast, or like at 6 o'clock, I can say make breakfast and get everything I need to make to do my courses. Yeah, and then like from 9 o'clock, I just say school, and then school goes from 9 o'clock to 2 o'clock, so I don't put anything from that. And then about 3 o'clock, I do homework. My homework takes me about 27 minutes, 20 to 15 minutes, it depends how much we have in a day. So I do that, and I do homework at 3 o'clock, at 3:20, maybe take a break and read. At about 3:40, what I do about 3:40? I might check my status for my Getty Images account, maybe post my Instagram story and all that. So I basically just put every single time, and I also put labels on it so I know what that timer is for. Okay, next thing is the time tracking app. A time tracking app is basically, in its name, is a tracking app that tracks time, and it's basically like a timer type of app, and you basically put what you need to do, and like you put what you need to do in a day, you set the time in, and you can set projects for it. You can set how much money you're gonna pay to do that. So like this week, I found me a job where I'm going to be writing a blog post for this company, and the company is going to pay me monthly, right? So what I do is I put the task I needed to do for that company to help me go start. It asked me to give them some more information about payments and stuff like that, so I can write for their blogs. I had to show them some of my writing skills and all of that, show them how I'm gonna send my payments all of that, and how much I'm gonna get paid for like each vlog. And we just had to contact each other and tell them how many vlogs I'm gonna do a week. So I had to get everything together to do their first vlog, which is gonna be coming out very soon. And then I also have to do stuff for sponsors and all of that stuff, my affiliate links, all of that stuff. So I put everything I need to do in a day also. So everything I put on my clock app, I put that on that app too. And I put extra stuff on that app too sometimes. So yeah, basically I think keeping up with what you do in a day by using time actually helps you be more productive and live a happier life, because say if you don't plan out your day, then your day will just be scattered apart and you will get confused and you'll have headaches. So I think doing this is very good. So thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you guys like the video, subscribe, click the notification bell, comment down, wait, y'all say comment below. Comment down below, subscribe, notification bell, do all of that good stuff. Okay? Okay. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh my God.